Action.
Mi casa es tu casa.
I said action.
Mi casa es tu casa. By two.
Hi guys, I'm John.
Fine.
Mostly I have two toys, but I'm going to make it funner. By this. Okay, here's the SpongeBob toy, but it's not actually a toy. It's a candy holder. And let's see what I get. I knew it! It was Patrick!
Patrick. I love Patrick.
Me too. Because he's... No, yeah.
Don't say that.
He is dumb.
What do you know?
An airhead, no?
Not the airhead.
Airhead means dumb.
Is there candy too, buddy?
Open it.
Yeah, of course.
Show the candy.
Ooh.
Whoa.
And I could dump
Is it
this.
sour candy?
I think not.
Okay. And what's this? There's paper.
Mostly this is a yes or a picture. I don't know what. I was up there.
It's a ripped picture.
No.
Let's start picture.
Hey, that's a nice sticker on your forehead. What is it?
It's a Band-Aid
Why do you have a Band-Aid on your forehead?
because I got cut.
How'd you get cut?
You cracked your head?
No, I got cut because I hit the table.
Oh, nuts. So what is that? Let me see the paper. Yes,
It's a map.
Oh, okay. Next toy.
And
Yeah.
I got these from the PX.
Don't touch your eyeballs.
Okay.
And mostly,
So it's-
I wanted to make a video.
Oh, we're making a video.
We're always making a video. Right now. Say Dad. Wait. I had the PR for a second. Okay.
Which one's
I
that?
already had this.
Oh, you already
Return it
have
then.
that one.
Can we return it?
You can't return it once it's open. It's okay. Now you have one that you can color and do other things to.
What is it?
It's a dog and a purse.
A purse? Oh, it's Mommy's collection then.
No,
Because
it's
of Mommy's
squishy.
collection.
It's
Because of Mommy's
squishy.
collection.
Okay.
Next to my
Are we
bag.
signing off now? Buddy.
Can I have it?
Yeah.
Buddy.
I don't
Yeah.
know.
Are we signing off? You didn't say bye or anything.
Wait. Mostly I want to make something with these stuff. So,
What do you, hey,
Careful, careful.
okay. Can someone open this for me, please?
why do we have to do this in the video? You don't want to do that in the video, do you?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I'm going to make.
This
Somebody-
is Johnny Chemist signing off. Say it. This is Johnny Chemist signing off.
This is Johnny Chamis signing off.
Bye.
No!
What? You just said you were signing off.
Signing
Hurry
off
up and
means
open
we're
it.
done.
No, I don't.
Okay. Hurry up and open it.
This is mommy proof.
Here, give it to me.
No. It's gonna be daddy proof. Come on, give it.
And I think everybody's fingers are greasy
Here.
from the pizza.
video
Mine's mine's not.
Okay, mostly I'm going to.
It's a twist, people.
Did you pull it?
Yeah, she did. Like you would know. Okay, let's put them in. Can we pour them in? Oh, jeez. Whoa! Jeepers creepers.
Oh, that's so complicated.
It's a candy thing.
They're complicated.
Then if we make a mess, we have to stop. Now we have to do these again.
Well, it's full.
I have to push it in.
Yeah. I don't think they're all gonna fit, buddy.
Is there another side?
No, that's it. It just says butt candy.
Does it dispense it? What does it do?
Dispenser.
Now
Is it
it
sour?
just stores
Is
it?
it like an M&M?
That's so dumb.
doesn't have any ice.
What is it?
Oh, is it just that like weird candy? Like it's just.
Is it tarty? Is it tart?
Yeah, I think it is.
The sugar.
Yeah, it's just plain sugar.
No chocolate inside?
No.
That's a little tart.
Oh, I hate those. Definitely.
Nope. Wait, it's one of those.
Like sugar.
I hate
There you
those
go.
candies. It's like those powders.
All right, so this is all your extra.
Mm-hmm.
You can eat.
All right,
those.
what do you say?
Wait.
What are you waiting for? You're all done. Jeez.
Oh, goodness.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's gonna run out of battery, buddy.
Come on.
Okay, bye.
Come on, say it.
Diary,
So this is Johnny Trevor signing off.
Wait, there's more diary on him. Okay, bye.
think he
Johnny
needs-
Chim is signing off.